This is the Jewish quarter I was telling you about, and it's famous for its stall traders, and that's why I brought you here, just can get some spices if we're gonna get cooking.
The souk in the Jewish quarter is known for its wonderful, colourful arrays of spices, and above all for its Ras el Hanout, which can be made up of as many as 35 different spices and even more. It's all so beautiful and there are so many spices to choose from. So where do we begin? These are amazing, aren't they? How do they do them?
No idea.
I feel like if I coughed, it could be complete
Please
disaster.
don't do it.
By the time I left my shift on, I think it was the Friday I left, I knew that we had quite a few very, very poorly people. By the time I came back to shift on the Monday, at that point I think we had lost 7 patients, which was quite horrific to try and interpret in my head. I then went off duty on Monday and came back on the Friday to discover that we had lost another 2. So within the space of 5 days we had lost 9 patients. There's no such thing as the norm within the hospice, but that is not really the norm.
Well, certainly if you're there in a storm, you know it has a direct connection with nature because it's quivering, literally. And that's both, something it has to be protected a bit from that, but it's also very exciting. And I think all the painters, I think the adrenaline of that exposure to the Atlantic and to everything it can throw at them actually is quite an important part of the excitement of being in those studios. That it can go from, if you're in the middle of a town, you don't really feel changes in weather all that much. But boy, you sure do at Porthmeor. If the wind direction changes, or the wind comes up, or it gets suddenly colder or darker, you immediately feel it in those studios. They kind of breathe in and out with the kind of light that comes in. So you're absolutely part of the natural environment there and very aware of changes in season, changes in clouds going over, changes in temperature, changes in wind direction. And I think that's one of the things that's really exciting about it.
From my heart, I drown niggas in 100-degree water. You can act a fool if you wanna. My what? My shit!